Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Guys, I must say thank you for all the views, for all the comments, all the shares. I am appreciative. So guys, I'm going to be replicating the one corner kind of hairstyle I did on my channel recently, not too long ago. So my daughter liked the hairstyle and she said that's the hairstyle she wanted. My daughter's hair is really thick that I struggle to even hold it. Even to stretch it was a problem, but I had to manage what she's got on her head. So I started off from the front. If you want to be super fast on this hairstyle, trust me, just make the front part first. When you make the front part first, it's super easy and super fast for you. So you know when you're doing something, you're starting something and you have like fresh energy. You channel that energy to the front part, and before you know it, you are done with that front part. On this front part, I had like a total of 7 cornrows, between 7 to 8, I'm not too sure. 7 cornrows on the front part, and the back part was just knotless braids. So I started from the side. So many people kept asking me questions about when I'm braiding or when I'm cornrowing, how do I take the hair? Do I take from both sides or do I take from just one side? To me, I think you should take from both sides so that your cornrow will stay in the middle part of the section hair. So when you're braiding, you're cornrowing your hair, and then you are taking from one side only. It gives the hair a brush. It brushes the hair to the side, to one part of the cornrow. So if you take from both sides, it makes the cornrow sit properly and pretty well on the head. So if probably you're struggling, you can make this video go slow to the pace that you want it. I think there's a settings on YouTube where you can slow the pace of the video so you can make it slow. So I'm showing you an up close view on how I put my index finger into the hair and take from both sides. So each time I put my index finger into the hair, I take hair from this side, I take hair from the other side. Each time I just put my hand, I take hair from both sides. That's why my cornrow sits well on the hair. Just take a good look at what I am doing. Look at my hands closely so that you can understand better. And I feel like if you practice more, you'll be able to make better cornrows on each time you practice. Yeah. So for me, whenever I'm making cornrows, I try as much as possible not to start the cornrow with extension, because I noticed that when you start cornrows with extension, it breaks the front part of the hair. And as ladies, we all know how important our front part of our hair is, because we want to lay it and make edges and all that. So try not to start with the hair. The only time where I can maybe start a cornrow with extension is when the hair is too short and I cannot even hold it. So I'll just take very tiny extension to start the cornrow. But most of the time I don't start my cornrows with hair extension. So I think you should try that as well so that you can protect um your edges. Yeah. So guys, I will not be doing too much of talking on this hair, but just know that the hair came out really nice. I coiled the tip of the hair and it was really fast. I spent less, I don't even think I spent up to 3 hours on this hair. Plus the fact that because she's my daughter, we at home, so we stood up, did one or two, stood up, went to eat, and all of that. I don't think I spent more than 3 hours on this hair. So if you want to make this hair, I would suggest you try to make the front part of the hair first before you make the back part. Just if possible, try both ways. Make the back part before the front part, or make the front part before the back part, and compare the amount of time that you spend on the hair so that you can make your choice on which one works better for you. But for me, making the front part of this style works best for me. Yeah. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like the comment, drop a like, drop a comment, like the video. What am I even saying? Anyways, guys, you know what to do. I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, stay out of trouble and welcome to 2025. I love you guys as always. Bye.